Hey guys, showing you this dish drying mat. This is really a helpful stuff like in the kitchen when you just put it on the sink near to the sink and it can absorb all the water from the dish. You can dry this in the sun or the air, just hang it up and then it's done. So it's a really nice quality foam that can absorb all the liquid and the water, and you can see that the size here, and it's really have the foam inside that can absorb the water, and you can use the handle to get it wet. So I'm just putting some water in just to show. So I see like how quickly it absorbs the water and it just goes inside, and you can just use this to hang and dry this mat later on. So it's a nice quality drying mat. In the corner you can see all the stitching. Is a really nice drying mat.